You can't get any more simpler or clean with a simple, styled desk for your home office or even dorm room for studying and writing. So this desk is sturdy enough to hold up 2 screens and be used as a fully functional desk in a home or office. The top is made of MDF core with scratch-resistant laminate, which has a nice wood texture and pattern. The convenient cable slot is priceless. This desk has a slot that allows cables to be dropped down through for better and more efficient cable management, giving you a clean look. The base is made of steel. The inverted Y-shaped legs make this desk extremely stable and super simple so that you could just push away slightly, swing your legs around, and have no contact with clunky legs. Just 18 screws, 4 leveling feet to install, super easy assembly, and can be done in 30 minutes.